Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I have prepared this dry fish fry. It was delicious. It was very difficult to clean, but still the taste after all the hard work, it was really good. So let's go for how to clean this dry fish. Here I'm taking like almost one cover of dry fish. See, here we have to remove the head and the wings on it, and also there is lot of dust, we need to remove it, and the tail is not required, we can cut it off. The first I'm gonna start with removing the head. It is very easy since it is fully dried, so it's not required, and there will be a sideways where we have to remove that. All this we need to remove. We just only need to have a small fish, a flesh with the bones. So rest all other things we can remove it. See friends, here there's lot of dust on it, and it is very salty as well, so we need to wash thoroughly. So this is how the cleaning goes on, and while frying it really gives so smell. So once this is cleaning is done, it gonna take time. So once it is done, this is how I have made the pieces, and I'm gonna put little warm water. So let this soak, dry fish soak in the water like 5 minutes, then all the dust and salty it comes out. So here I'm washing like almost 5 times. I use the different waters to wash. With the clean water I washed, finally it was very clean. You can see the difference before and now. So now I'm gonna add some powders like turmeric, half a tablespoon, and then chili powder, 1 tablespoon. If you want more spicy, you can add more chili powder, and then little bit of salt, not too much, because already it has a little bit of salt. So, and not the least is pepper powder. So mix it very well, and allow this to stay for a little while. See, after mixing everything, the dry fish looks like this. This I'm gonna rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes I'm gonna put some oil. I'm using here olive oil. I'll make sure to use olive oil for all the fries. So here, see, this is how it looks. So I'm gonna place it on this pan, tawa. Just keep moving the pan here and there, so that oil spreads even everywhere. So once one side the fry is done, you can turn it other side. Friends, when you're frying this dry fish, please make sure that you have proper ventilation, like you have to open the balconies, you need to open the windows, so that the smell goes off very fast. Otherwise the smell stays in the house for a long time. So please on the fan or whatever you have in your house. So make sure the flies will not come inside. So once both side is done, so we can gently remove it off and place it, all the fried ones, on the tissue, so that tissue absorbs the water. So it doesn't take much time to cook. It hardly takes like 3 to 4 minutes. This is my second whatever the remaining, I'm gonna fry it now. Friends, today's motivation is your degree is just a piece of paper. Your education is seen in your behavior. So that's all for the day. I hope you will like this video, and please friends, do support me, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and then thank you so much for your great support. So see you again in the next video. Bye bye.